Hello everyone, this is your one and only original Joy MJ checking in. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to personalize and edit your YouTube thumbnails using your phone. There are two things that I always consider when I'm editing and making my thumbnails. First is relevance and message. It is very important na connected yung thumbnail natin sa video kung saan natin ilalagay yung thumbnail para hindi siya misleading. I always make sure that my thumbnail is relevant to the video kung saan ko siya ilalagay and klaro yung mensahe. Yung tipong kahit sa thumbnail pa lang alam na nila kung ano ang video mo, at saka kahit hindi na nila i-review yung video, okay na, thumbnail pa lang yan. So relevance and message. Second is clear and simple design. Actually, may another option dito, either simple and clear or catchy, but for now, personally, I'm choosing simple and clear. Simple design lang, may image and then text about cycling, how to learn cycling. Siguro my bike, and then text na how to learn cycling. You can also make a catchy thumbnail. For example, I also make a video about losing weight. So siguro ang ilalagay ko sa catchy kasi ang itatarget mo yung curiosity ng mga viewers. So siguro ilalagay ko sa thumbnail, for losing 10 pounds in 2 months. Watch this video. When you make your thumbnail, make sure it's relevant to the video that kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Yung message niya klaro. I mean, dapat kung ano yung video, yun yung mensahe ng thumbnail. And third is clear and simple design lang. Again, you can opt to catchy thumbnails, but personally, I chose simple, clear. If you are new here and you like videos like this, tips, tutorials, and other videos about life, about apps, about exercise, about health, about anything under the sun, you've come to the right channel. I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I'll be uploading sooner and in the future. There are 3 apps that I am using to personalize and change my YouTube thumbnails. The first app is called Background Eraser. Second is Pexilab. And finally, third is YouTube Studio. If you want to know how to use Background Eraser and Pexilab, I made a video tutorial on how to do that. I'll be putting the link in the description down below. Be sure to watch it and learn the process. For this video, I'll be using a pre-designed thumbnail. At least short yung video natin. So the first thing gagawin natin is to open Pexilab. First thing you have to do after opening Pexilab is to click this 3 dots here. The right, nasa upper right, like that, and then go to image size, yan, and then you click this arrow down, small arrow down, then choose YouTube thumbnail, yan. After you're choosing YouTube thumbnail, press OK. You add the pre-designed thumbnail na ginawa mo by pressing that, and then go to from gallery. Yan ang usual na lalabas. So for this video, hahanapin natin ang image na ilalagay natin sa video, yung YouTube thumbnail na ginawa natin. Pupuntahan natin yung Pexilab, tapos hanapin, for example, ito yung 7 practical ahon tips. Yan ang gagamitin natin. Just press that. And then after you press check, and then you resize the picture hanggang ma-fit siya sa default YouTube thumbnail. Yan, by dragging that. I-drag mo lang hanggang sa sakto yung size niya. Bawa ganyan. Okay na yan. After that, you press save that one. Yan, and then save as image, and then save to gallery. For designing and saving your thumbnail design, you go to YouTube Studio. If kaka-install mo lang, kailangan mo pang i-log in your email ad na ginagamit mo for your YouTube channel. So you go to dashboard. Yan, you go to your dashboard, and then you find the video kung saan lalagyan mo ng thumbnail personalized. Yan, just view more, and then ito yung papalitan natin. You just press that, and then you press this pen dito, yan, and then you press this pen again, and then dito you press here, change or custom thumbnail. Tapos hanapin natin yung yung design ito. Yan, ahon. Just press that, then press select, then press save. Yan. Okay, then go back to your dashboard or videos, tapos double check. I think ito na, let's change na yan. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and then share this to all your friends.